Hey everybody, it's Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trading Room. It's 10:30. We're going to do the MOJO live video recap for the day. It's August 6th, Thursday. Let me show you what we've done here. We're done at 10:30 a.m. It's 10:28 right now. We usually get done about this time. Most people are just starting their 9 to 5 grind. They've been there for an hour and a half. We're done for the day. Out of today, you have 18 people that are in this room, 66% right now, that have taken the poll, that have made between 1 to 5% on their account. One person doubled. Everybody else paper trading made money. Nobody lost, which is nice. Always good. So I'm going to show you some cool things today about the MOJO Day Trading Room. What separates my room from the other riffraff rooms out there. A lot of people trying to bash on Twitter. Which is an alright thing because everybody hates LeBron James too. He has his haters, but he's the best. He also has his fan club. King. He's the king. So right now, I'm showing the day trading room. This room, right now, there's 86 people in the room. I show you all the people. Pro Trader Allen, Bohan, Brutus, Clifton, Clint. I know every one of these traders personally. When I say there's 100 people in the room, there's 100 people in the room. I had joined another room yesterday, and that room said there was hundreds of people in there, but they only showed the moderators at the top. I never mentioned the room in the video. However, the people got a hold of the video and watched it like they are now, so they decided to bash me and come at me and try to put down the mojo. But it's just not going to happen. The people that are trying to do that, I'm a garbage can. Okay, see, I'm a little garbage can. I have a little bit of information about me, and everybody does. Everybody has a history and a past. Okay, if you come after Mojo and you're a landfill and you got a ton of garbage, why open a can of worms for yourself? Number one, you're gonna look like a LMAO. I'm gonna laugh a lot, my ass off. And number two, I'm gonna get all your subscribers. Okay, because I'm gonna follow them. They're gonna follow me back. They're gonna see what I do right now as I'm describing it in the Mojo room. I still haven't mentioned the room's name, and I never have done that, and I never will, because there's no need for that. Okay, when you're McDonald's, yes, there's Burger King, Wendy's, Taco Bell, and a lot of the other fast foods. Go ahead. What I'm talking about is one of them. It doesn't make a difference. Who cares if it's Burger King, Taco Bell, Kentucky Fried Chicken? They're all the same. It's only one McDonald's. Okay? So, yeah, haters going to hate. Been with Mike since January. The numbers show it. Exactly. So let's show you the day trading today in the room. So every single day, I have a plan of operation. And anybody that chats with me in this area, within 1 nanosecond, I'll get back to you. I'll never leave you hanging. And when I was in that other room, I chatted many times, and they left me hanging. 3 of the stock picks they did, the first one they went long was down 3 points. And they went long, counter trend trading. It was risky, but I looked at it, and I liked it, and I actually traded it and made money. The second trade I actually gave to the room. It was such a bottom bouncer going through Hines. I actually traded it with the room. They lost on it, but I made money. 19 cents 2 times. Once, and 9 cents the second time. Okay? So I'm not taking the picks and giving them to my room. My room was already done. I have nothing to do in the afternoon, so I go check out all the other day trading rooms, all the other newsletters, all the other analysts. That's what I do. If you don't go check out your competition, you're stupid not to. Everybody comes and tries to get in my room and check me out as well. Okay? So let me show you. Mojo room of operation is from 9 a.m. to 9:15. We do our morning routine where I go over the guidelines, the possible trade plays, and at 9:25 to 9:30 we get ready for the opening trade play. The room stops trading once the daily profit goals have been met for the day. The trading is usually done by 10:30. The room usually stays open till 4. During this, educational topics are discussed as well as stock chatter about the day that are still in play from the morning session. There may even be some great afternoon trade plays that present themselves for added trades, done with less share size, of course, as not to give back the morning profits. MOJO Day Trading room rules. The general chat area right here is used for general chat related, other stock related, great information, things to say about Mojo. When I'm taking the poll at 10:30 and showing the results, good and bad, show both good and bad so I can help you. Okay. We got when making the daily recap, it's live, so don't private message me right now. Okay. Warning, new traders that are here for a week, beware. You must learn the scaling methodology and sequence, so hold off. Do not trade for the first week. Either paper trade or do 1/10 of your size just to get your beta sequence down. You're not looking to make a profit. You're looking to learn the scaling sequence and the trade play. Don't let your lack of knowledge, I'm reading right here, folks. Don't let your lack of knowledge of the Mojo day trading style cause you to take a loss when the other Mojo traders are making a profit. It's going to leave a frustrated, bad taste in your mouth. Okay, you're not going to be successful with the Mojo team, and you're going to think that you can't do this. It's going to ruin your chances for a really great trading room and a place to make money every day. So please hold off on your trading for a few days. It's a marathon and not a sprint. You see all these pro traders, Allen, Bassman, all these guys that are left in the room, the pros. And there's 100 more of them. They're all gone already. We had 140 in the room this morning. As soon as they make money, they're gone. That's their business. That's what I teach in Mojo University. These traders have been with me for a long time. They'll be with me for a long time and a lifetime. The traders that are graduating from Mojo University right now in this list: Trader Alf, Trader Collins, Trader Crossan, Trader Ide, Trader Jorge, Trader Juan, all becoming pro traders next week. Let's move down the list. I'm showing everybody in my room. These traders, it doesn't matter what room they see. They're not going anywhere. Trader Manny, Trader Lewis, Trader Radic, Trader Ramon, Trader Ruslan, Trader Salman, Trader Stacy, Trader Van, and Trader, and that's it, are all in Mojo University currently that are all going to move up to pro traders. And then all this month, I've already got 9 people already signed up for the September class. Okay, so I got to take a look back on JNUG right here. We have for the trend trade, still hold that. Day trade out, trend trade in, swing still in for JNUG. I sent out a daily newsletter for everybody yesterday. I sent it out for the swing trade newsletter, and I figured I'd send it out for the world to see as well. And here's the swing right here. So let's go back a couple of days and show you how we did this in the swing. So the first time we bought Nugget, we got positioned here at 3 on 7:30 at $3.20. We're going to position. The covered calls are expiring in the meantime. These are both good for buys. So we're going to go buy right there on 7:30, and we're going to nail that. And then what we're going to do is on the 31st, we're going to sell that at 865 and that at 48. So this from 802 went to 865, 321 to 350. Not a bad deal. So then that's a profit. Then from 865, it came back down on August 3rd, which was my birthday day. So we bought it again at 812, and we bought Nugget at 320. Okay. And then rebuy time. Well, let me go back here. So this was rebuy time, the gift that doesn't stop giving. Come join me for another round. Buy 2 times like you've done before, 779 and at 303. Sold it this morning from 303 to 325, and from 780 to 829, and now we're going to rebuy it. So we rebuy at 776 and 306, and then we added at 750 and 293 right at the end of the day to get the average. As I mentioned in detail, we're going to add number 2 now, getting the average to 760 on Nugget and JNUG and under 3. So we're going to get an average on 760. It's 750. We bought it at 770 and 750 is an average of around 760. And 303 and 293 is an average of 297. Okay, and now we're going to start to profit at 784. Profit now. Okay, slowly but surely. Let me show you right here. Here's Orex profit at 449, 450. Went higher through that. That was also this morning. So for the swing trade newsletter, we're down 70 points. We have already sold half of the position on JNUG and Nugget, and right now we're selling the rest. So right here is going to go 3/4 sold now. Half was sold, now 3/4 is sold. I have live chat available right here. So I have hi, 24 hours a day. You can live chat me right here within the swing trade drive and the component right there. So this is 760. This is sold at 804. Just another piece of it. And the Nugget as well is now 317. So let's take care of business on that. So this position right here is now 3/4 sold. High is now not 309, but 319. And high is 806. Done. So we have 1/4 of the position left. And this was a new buy round 10. So I update this. 3/4 of the position was sold, and then 3/4 of the position was sold. As soon as it reverses, we'll be out. Okay. OREX from 407. We took a profit on that. So, and Planet Payment as well. People trying to claim Planet Payments like their pick. I own it at 239. Position is now 3/4 sold. Half was sold into 277. This half was sold into 288. Up 19.25. Let's take a look at it where it is now. PLPM's 284 right now, looking solid as a rock. Here's it on the daily right here, looking rock solid. And we also have a JetPay. Let's see what that one is doing today. It's also rock solid. Let's take a look at it in the level 2. Look at that guy sitting there with 109,000 shares. Stocks traded 221. You think they want to accumulate shares down here, and they're holding this thing down? In order to put up 100,000 shares on the ask, you got to have 500,000. So whoever's doing that is accumulating stock and just wanted to bring it in before this thing explodes like Planet Payment. See what PayPal's doing today. Just hanging. So let me show you this morning. Continue with the day trading room. So New traders, beware. Here's how we trade. If I like the stock, I'll call it out. You're going to 90% of the time, you just buy the ask as a market order just to get filled. And then as it's going up, use a limit order to sell on the ask when you sell into the surge until it reverses, and then sell the rest as a market order. Never sell the second part lower than the first. Never rely on Mojo to tell you to take a profit. There's never a sell signal. When the stock surges higher and you're in a profit, sell for profits Mojo style by either selling it all and waiting for the next trade, or selling half to 3/4 and maximizing the rest. Here's today's trading plan. Patience, patience, patience. Mojo's going to wait for the trades to present themselves, scaling into 1 to 3 stocks, making nickels and dimes on smallers, quarters to 50s on largers. We do it 4 to 5 times a day. We're done for the day. Once we hit the goals, we stop. First trade of the day is a trend trade. We're going to buy 4 times at the open. The next is lower after the first high, and then 2 more buys after subsequent highs are set, and we're going to sell it at the end of the day or when the target is reached, and that's JNUG. So JNUG right now, the trend trade is over. 804, 805, target is reached. That was a 50-cent move. Mojo on that overnight that I showed you for the daily. Let me show you the daily newsletter. And last night, by the way, when you guys on Twitter were bashing me, I got 5 signups. And I'm getting their Twitter handles when they sign up, and I will bet they're all from you. So I would just lay off on Mojo. Mojo won't mention you. You don't mention Mojo, and just do your own things, guys. Ain't got time for that. I ain't got no time for that. That's a good one to play. I like that one. I don't know if you ever heard this one before. I ain't got no time for that. I ain't got no time for that. It's muted until this ad's over. Let's skip the ad.
One resident describes her horrifying experience when she first realized the complex was on fire.
Well, I woke up to go get me a cold pop, and then I thought somebody was barbecuing. I said, "Oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire." Then I ran out. I didn't grab no shoes and nothing, Jesus. I ran for my life. And then the smoke got me. I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.
According to the apartment manager, the fire started.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Now watch.
One resident describes her horrifying experience when she first realized the complex.
Here it is.
One resident describes her horrifying experience.
They gonna give me a cold pop. Then I thought somebody was barbecuing. I said, "Oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire." Then I ran out. I didn't grab no shoes and nothing, Jesus. I ran for my life. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that, man. You know what we got time for? These trade plays. Like this one right here. Right there. See that trade play at 9:30 when the market opened? We nailed through the level 2 signal, Gene at 327, and sold it right up there, 334, 335, 336, 337, right into the high. Shebang. That's how we traded number 1. Want to see another? Okay, here's this one. Check this one out. This was at 9:45. When I saw iTech which is one of the best trade plays we did of the day. This is exactly what it looked like when I saw it. You see that MOJO Day Trading room? I'm going to do a poll. I'm going to do a poll. You ready? You see that level 2 right there? Okay, so let's do some education. Show these people what we know. Okay? So here's the level 2 right there. It's iTech. It's 1476 by 82. And it's traded 189,000 and it's 945. So I'm going to do a poll. Where is the signal to buy? The choices are, I don't see it. 1476. 1482 is the ask. And you got 1483. 1488. You got 1489 there. And then you got a 1490. Okay? If you think you know the answer, folks, in the world that's taking and going to watch this video, here's the level 2. Would you buy right there? And where's the signal? Watch the pro traders answer the question. Ready? Man, they all know. Alan, JT, Juan, Larry, Umis, Alec, they're all answering. Look at that. 16 people. How'd they all know that? Nice job, everybody. Everybody I mentioned is in Mojo U. All these other people have no idea what they're doing because they need to take the class. See that 100% of the people knew that? You want to see what happened after we bought from there? Watch. So what happened was it was 1476 by, and the time was 9:45. So let's skip ahead 1 minute and let's go to 9:46. The stock went from 189,000 and we're going to start to buy now. So right here, we're going to take it and we're going to go 9:46. It's 1473 by 86 and we're going to start to buy all that stock now. Okay? So let's skip ahead and maybe we'll jump. Let's see here. Let's jump to this one. So we'll wait. You want to wait a second or you want to wait 1/10 of a second? Which one? You want to wait a second or 1/10? How about we wait 1/10 of a second? In 1/10 of a second, the stock is now 80 bid by 85. So it went from 946.07. I mean, show a bit of hesitation, folks. In 1/10 of a second, you're right there. You want to see another second later or another couple of seconds later? So how about we go to 9:46 and we go to how many? You want to go 2 seconds later? What do you want to go? Let me ask the room what they want to do. It's up to my room. I'm teaching them. So how fast do you? 2 seconds? Nah, dude. How about 1/10 of a second? Watch. So within 1/10 of a second, now we're at 946.29, and you're already at $15. Stock's traded 263,000. Okay, so Mojo's locked and loaded, folks. We haven't taken a profit yet. You want to see where we take the profit? One second later, at almost 2 seconds later, when the stock traded 333,000 shares, Mojo sold right there at 519 on the ask. That's a trade play. That's what I teach all my traders to do in Mojo University. How'd you like that one, guys? That was one of our best trades of the day. How you like that? You want to see another one? Trade made my day too. And here's what we did on that right there. We went iTech quarter left at 948. Yeah, you want to see where it was at 948 on iTech? We sold at 948. Let's look here. 3 bar right there, 1522. Right into that bar. Cha-ching. 1496. Cha-ching, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Did we trade Orex? Oh, yeah. Look at that, baby. From 1418 to 55. Oh, yeah, boy. Look, here's the signal on Orex. It's going now at 937, filled at 420 at 937. So let's go to 937. It's right here. 420 filled. Stock 455. Stock's now 444. We got it in the swing too. Orex sold quarter more, 432. Orex still have it. Orex sold 454. What's the high on Orex? 455. It's now at 450. Does Mojo have Orex? We sure do. Mojo Swingers, we got the Orex right here. And I was going to add Orex and ACUR this morning, and I missed it. I'm so upset. We would have had an average cost of $397 instead of $407, but it's okay. So we're going to go right here and we're going to sell Orex twice. So Orex at 450. The stock went to 455. Okay, and we sold 454. And that right there is a 3-day hold. It was in the newsletter that I send out every Sunday night. Here's the Sunday night newsletter. So this newsletter was sent out to subscribers Sunday night by 11 o'clock, August 2nd. It's summertime. The structure of my newsletter is very detailed, tells you how to buy, tells you the rules, gives you a market analysis, gives you an update for the week. I got a comic strip. My top 3 picks, number 1, Orex, $4. Number 2, Ojin, 262. And there was a little confusion. You always buy pick 1 and 2. 3, Viringo, if you want, yes, you can do that. That was the 3rd pick. So you always put your money into picks 1 and 2. Ojin was the pick at 260. The thing with Mojo is like with PLPM. When PLPM gets to 295 and 290, you could see the size sitting there. You add at 290. You add at 295. And then you sell that addition through the $3. And that's what I wanted you all to do here is pick up the Ojin and then add more and sell through 3. So next time you see that, just like the Viringo, we owned at 68, we sold it up at 72, VRNG. And now it's 61. Viringo may be a buyback. We sold Viringo right up there. It went to 74. We bought it because of that day. It may be a good buyback now. Viringo at 61, folks. It's traded light volume too. I like it. So here's the watch list. The number 1 on the watch list was A10 from 651. is $6.95. So all the stocks are do really well in the newsletter. The newsletter is a separate service from the day trading room, which I'm showing you right here. And 90% of the people that are in the room are also a subscriber to the newsletter. You could try the day trading room for 1 month. For 30 days, it's $49 just to try it. Okay? You see the power of reading that level 2. I'll give you my level 2 educational video for free. It's a $49 value. You pay $49, you get a $49 value. You're really getting the first month for free. I'm trying to kickstart your career to come to the day trading room. If you do that, you may want to look into Mojo University and really stepping up your game to become a pro trader and be with Mojo for a lifetime, because you see the value of what we do.
But I got to do my part, 'cause I know in my heart I got to please my sweet baby, yeah.
So last night I gave out the swing newsletter for the world to see, and I took the position myself, made $2,379 closed P&L on JNUG on 12,400 shares overnight. Could have made a little bit more, but that wasn't the name of the game. Made $2,379 on that pick, and here's the pick that I gave. Right here at August 5th at 1:20 p.m. Enjoy this free pick. Mojo Swing Traders nailed this one 9 out of 9 times. Here's lucky number 10. Why don't you join me for the fun? Buy in 2 stages. Buy here at 770, and then the next one under or lower by 10 cents. So if you bought at 770 and then 760 and 50, you had a good average. Same thing with Nugget. You bought at 303 and then at 293, you had a great average. And then you sold that thing today, which I'm telling you to do right now. So that went out right there. Actually, I didn't send it out yet, I don't think, for the I sent it out for the daily. I'm going to send it out. I mean, I sent it out for the swing. I haven't sent it for the daily yet. I'm going to send it right now. Look at that. You guys got a better sale price than my swing traders. How do you like that? You're getting $773. You could have got $8 before. So free stock pick for you. It's profit time. I'm going to send it out now as I'm doing this video. It's Thursday the 6th. And you'll see it hit your inbox in about a second, guys. Thursday, August 6th. I'm just going to put profit time. Alrighty. Just give me 1 second to get this all out to you. I better include a picture. Done. Swing trade baby's done. Day trade baby's done. Mojo room solid. Let's see what we did as far as making money today. Allen 1,788, JT 228, Ramon 175, Lewis 168. Nice, after his trip back from Disney. See that? I know where all my guys go. We have relationships. Good job there, Lewis. Jorge 320, KJ 740, Jeep 256, brand new. Stacy 100, Umis 190. Shout it, baby, iTech. So yeah, that was a great trade on iTech. Let me see what else I have for you. Here's some of the sells. That's about it. I don't have anything else for you. Oh, here's the poll we did for today. So the poll earlier this morning, 18 people made between 1 to 5%, and everybody else made money, which is great. Nice job on the Nuggie spec. And that's it. You're up 275 now, Ramon. Good job. 62 people left in the room. Excellent video for today. So we got Orex sold once, and now we're going to sell more. What's Orex at now? Orex is 40. So we got a quarter of the position sold. Now we got a half of the position sold. At 445. Because it didn't go higher. It goes higher, we sell it higher. It goes lower, we sell them low. I'm not letting it go that much lower, that's for sure. We'll be out of the position. I'd like to hold half till tomorrow. Got a nice little, I think we get one more day out of it. Look what it did back here. So after that first day, it really went boom, boom, boom. So it's got a nice little volume of 5 million. Beautiful bar. So we see if we get another one. Definitely coming back into play on that. PLPM looks great. We also have MGNA for the swing. Let me update the swing because they're all watching. So we have UVXY. We have these covered calls. We sold for $2.10. They are now $2. So we have to let those expire on August 21st, and we'll collect that $2.10, and then we'll repeat it again. JetPay, I already showed you. Medical marijuana, we have it at like 05506. We're about even on it right here, just waiting for it to make a move. JNUG, we have at 495, and we have the 350s that expire on the 14th next week. We sold them for 25 cents. See where they're at. They're 10 cents. So if we bought these things back, which we're not, we'll just stick with them. Could roll up to the 21s, but we'll just let them expire, and then we'll do that one again. So that's a 25 center. We'll reduce on the cost of that one, 495, which we've already done last month. Right here. Hear that click? People just signing up for Mojo. They like the video. Nugget covered calls made 30 cents, made 30 cents. Nugget covered call made 20 cents, made 20 cents. Nugget covered call made 30 cents, 30 cents. Nugget covered call, 10 cents, 10 cents. Nugget covered call, 45 cents. Nugget covered call, 25 cents. So you could see here, UVXY covered call, $4. Collecting a lot of premiums, folks, on the covered calls, and I don't mind holding the nugget. It's gold. It's ain't a stock or a company. Rebound back over time and use the rent on the covered calls in the meantime to collect all the premiums. STEM is fine. ACUR, I'm going to add and do a bump down on this one right here. Let's do a one-time. Only have a one-time position. So now we're just going to add a little bit right now here at 59, and we're going to bring the average to 75. Okay? And then we'll look to get out between 70 and 80. Okay, it doesn't need to get to 89. So that's what we're going to do. So now this pick includes 2 buys. One at 89 cents. And this one at 59. I mean 59. Let's see what we're going to average on this baby. 59 and 89. And get the average to 74. So that's what we're going to do. Average 74. And that's patience. So I'm not looking to make money, but we're not going to probably lose is what we did on that one. So that's what we're doing on Acra, and I missed the Orex this morning. Okay. So we have Dara It's fine. And then we have the nugget, which we have the covered calls on here as well. And this nugget we took a profit on. We're up 5%. We have a little bit left to go. And this one as well. So Pro Trader Mike is done with the swing side. Great on that front. Oh, someone just signed up again. Hear that? Oh, 2 of them. Nice. PayPals are coming in, folks. Sweet. People like the video. Means other rooms are losing their subscribers. You gotta like that. So let's see what we're finishing up this thing with today. Let's go back to the room. Say goodbye to everybody. Done. Everybody, we got 59 left. We're done. Sign off. Go enjoy the rest of your day. Peace. Pro Trader Mike's done. Sign off. 56. Sign off. We're done. Sign off. See you tonight. Mojo U's tonight. Last class of Mojo U tonight. Mojo U, 8 p.m. See you in the university classroom. You got it. Bye-bye. See you later. 48 left. Alan, sign off. Bohan, Clifton, Jeff, JR, Phil. See you later, guys. Goodbye. Alan's gone. Bye, Clifton. Bye, JR. Bye, guys. Bye, I, Julius, KJ. See you later. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. We do the same exact thing we did today. Peace.